All right, another quick look at the Space Shuttle Independence. This thing is huge. I can't even, see how small the people are down there. This thing is so huge. And then if you look at the tiles underneath there, how crazy is that? I can't get over the size. It's huge. Here, let me move over here a little bit. There we go. Wow. Back out a little bit. You got the Falcon 9 rocket over there. SpaceX. Try to give you a full view. It's kind of hard to do. I'm gonna go on the tour pretty soon. I just came by today, paid my little $5 parking, took some pictures. It's enormous. Anyway guys, there you go.